Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we track real classic motorcycles for sale across America. Real listings, real prices, and real history. Let's get straight into today's lineup. Number 1. 1970 Triumph T150 Trident, $5,500, South Carolina. The 1970 Triumph T150 Trident represents one of the most important moments in British motorcycle history. As Triumph's first production triple, the Trident was built to compete directly with the rising wave of Japanese performance bikes. This example has been garage-kept since 1972 and remains largely original, which is increasingly rare. Recently refurbished to running condition by respected British specialists, it still shows honest age and character. The recent oil leak explains the adjusted price, making this an appealing opportunity for a knowledgeable buyer who wants an authentic British triple with solid documentation and long-term collector potential. Number 2. 1975 Harley-Davidson XLH 10000, $4,500, Florida. This 1975 XLH 10000 is a numbers-matching ironhead that checks a lot of boxes for Harley enthusiasts. It runs, rides, and stops properly, with a long list of mechanical updates already completed. While the Kickstarter is no longer functional, the electric start works as intended. With rebuilt systems, fresh consumables, and a clear title, this bike offers classic ironhead character without immediately demanding a full restoration. It's a strong candidate for someone who wants a reliable vintage Harley they can ride now and refine over time. Number 3. 1976 Honda CB750K, $5,900, Virginia. The CB750K is one of the most important motorcycles ever built, and this 1976 example remains remarkably original. With just over 30,000 miles, it represents an older restoration that has been carefully maintained rather than over-modified. Factory exhausts, tasteful updates, and extensive recent brake and suspension work make it a dependable rider as well as a collector-grade machine. The included accessories and spare parts add further value. For fans of classic Japanese engineering, this CB750 offers originality, usability, and long-term appeal. Number 4. 1984 Moto Guzzi Le Mans 3, $4,800, Pennsylvania. The Le Mans 3 is a serious sport machine from Moto Guzzi's golden era. Powered by a torquey transverse V-twin and paired with a 5-speed gearbox, it delivers a riding experience unlike anything else from the period. This example shows low mileage, careful adult ownership, and thoughtful upgrades like a Corbin seat. Always garaged and well cared for, it needs nothing to be enjoyed immediately. For riders seeking a distinctive European classic that still performs well on modern roads, this Le Mans is a standout. Number 5. 1972 Yamaha DS7, $3,200, South Carolina. Yamaha's DS7 is a lightweight two-stroke that perfectly captures early 1970s street performance. This example has benefited from extensive mechanical updates while remaining true to its original character. With rebuilt systems throughout and a clean title, it runs and rides as intended. Two-strokes like this are becoming harder to find in ride-ready condition, especially at this price point. For collectors or riders who appreciate simplicity, responsiveness, and classic Japanese design, this DS7 represents an increasingly rare opportunity. Number 6. 1971 BMW R60/5, $3,695, Florida. BMW's 5 Series marked a major step forward for the brand, and this R60/5 remains a solid example. Recently serviced by a well-known BMW specialist, it runs strong and shows low mileage for its age. The Cathay-style setup adds personality while retaining the bike's original patina. Shaft drive, smooth power delivery, and legendary BMW durability make this an excellent vintage daily rider. With a Florida title and flexible pricing, it's a practical entry point into classic BMW ownership. Number 7. 1982 Suzuki GS1100, $2,500, Florida. The GS1100 was Suzuki's muscle bike of the early 1980s, known for durability and strong performance. This example is currently non-running due to a starter switch issue, but the fundamentals remain solid. With straightforward mechanics and good parts availability, it's an ideal project for someone comfortable with basic electrical work. Once sorted, it offers serious performance and long-distance comfort at a price that leaves room for improvement. A strong value proposition for hands-on buyers. Number 8. 1964 Norton Atlas 750, $5,500, Pennsylvania. The Norton Atlas is a true British heavyweight, and this example has been extensively rebuilt with high-quality components. From the engine and transmission to suspension and brakes, the hard work has already been done. The magneto ignition and belt drive enhance reliability while preserving period correctness. Starting easily and running strong, this Atlas delivers classic British performance with modern usability. For collectors who want a properly sorted Norton without starting from scratch, this bike stands out. Number 9. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100, $2,300, Ohio. Kawasaki's shaft-driven KZ1100 is known for smooth power and long-distance comfort. This example runs and rides with near-new tires and a straightforward mechanical layout. Having sat for a year, it may benefit from routine servicing, but it remains a functional rider. At this price, it's a cost-effective way to own a large displacement Japanese classic that's equally suited to cruising or light touring. Number 10. 1982 Harley-Davidson Sportster, $6,000, Florida. This fully rebuilt 1982 Sportster aims to capture the look and feel of early 80s Harley-Davidson styling. With a comprehensive mechanical restoration and show-quality presentation, it offers both visual impact and riding enjoyment. The addition of Key Start improves convenience without detracting from its vintage appeal. Clean title and strong attention to detail make this an excellent option for collectors who want a period-correct Harley that's ready to ride or display. Number 11. 1986 Yamaha Royal Star, $1,600, Florida. The Yamaha Royal Star offers classic touring comfort at a very accessible price. While this example needs attention, including a tank replacement and ignition work, it represents an affordable entry into large displacement vintage touring bikes. For someone willing to tackle basic restoration tasks, the payoff is a comfortable long-distance machine with classic styling. At this price point, it's a project with real upside. Number 12. 1970 Triumph Tiger, $5,000, Pennsylvania. This one-owner 1970 Triumph Tiger is about as original as they come. With matching numbers, clean title, and complete documentation, including the original dealership sticker, it represents a rare find. Bikes with this level of originality and provenance rarely surface. Running well and fully functional, it's ideal for collectors who value authenticity over restoration. This Tiger is a time capsule from Triumph's classic era. Number 13. 1969 BSA Firebird Scrambler, $3,000, Virginia. The Firebird Scrambler is raw, loud, and unapologetically British. This example remains rough around the edges, making it best suited for an experienced owner who understands vintage British machines. With a correct frame and matching title, it offers a solid foundation despite its quirks. It's not polished, but that's part of the appeal. For the right buyer, this Firebird delivers authentic character and mechanical honesty. Number 14. 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $4,500, Georgia. This custom ironhead has undergone a full engine rebuild with minimal miles since completion. Updated ignition, upgraded braking, and period-correct styling give it strong visual appeal. While the turn signals are currently non-functional, the bike runs well and comes with a clean Georgia title. It's a compelling blend of classic Harley character and modern reliability upgrades, ideal for riders who want a personalized vintage machine. Number 15. 1993 Honda GL 1500 Goldwing Aspencade, $3,000, South Carolina. The GL 1500 represents peak Goldwing comfort, and this Aspencade is well equipped for long-distance touring. With smooth power, strong reliability, and thoughtful accessories, including modern audio integration, it remains an outstanding value. Despite higher mileage, it's clearly been maintained and is ready to ride. For buyers seeking classic touring comfort at an affordable price, this Goldwing delivers exceptional practicality. That's today's market snapshot. For more classic motorcycles for sale with real prices and real history, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer, and we'll see you in the next listing.